Welcome everybody to our next stop on this series. Today we're going to be visiting Belize. The port over here, for many reasons, doesn't take the big cruise ships. So what they do is they send small boats, they call them tender boats, to pick up the tourists and go back to the port. Carnival will give you a sticker with a number, and once your number is called, you can start boarding your tender boat. If you purchase one of the excursions on board, make sure you have your wristband. They'll give you a wristband. So this is very important. So before you go into the tender boats, make sure you have your wristband. If you're not doing any excursions and you just want to shop around, you will see all the familiar stores that you see in other ports of call. So if you miss something in one of the ports, you can get the similar item on the next stop. So keep that in mind. If you have been to Belize before, you will remember as soon as you leave the port, you will see a cemetery. Also on the side of the road, you will see every now and then a weird building. And in the past, they were used by the police to stop people as they go by. But this time around, I didn't see anybody over there. So I don't know what happened. If you know what happened, please post it on the comment section. And here it is, Kukumba Beach. Even though the area doesn't look that busy, later on eventually it did. And the main reason is this facility is not exclusive for the people on the tour. So they have a general admission ticket, there's a fee, and anybody could just pay that ticket and get into this area. On the way back to the cruise ship, they gave us the option to go to the downtown area in the capital. And for us, it was a perfect opportunity to see the regular life over there of the citizens of Belize. So for us, we loved it, and here it is, the footage. So this pretty much wrapped up the video for today. If you liked the video, please don't forget to hit that like button. If you had any questions, just post them on the comment section. On our next stop, we will be visiting Cozumel, Mexico. So stick around, subscribe to the channel, and don't miss the next episode. Thank you guys for watching.